Every home needs an ultimate solution when it comes to style and savings, which is why I'm so glad I came across this beautiful addition from Atomberg. I often wonder how smart technologies have changed our daily life. Atomberg Ikano is one such fan, unique, smart and efficient for the new India. Exceeding all expectations with its performance, Atomberg Ikano has become my new favorite. It is a 5-star rated fan assembled using BLDC technology. This technology helps us save up to 65% on our yearly electricity bill. I've personally never been so excited about the saving percentage of fan. I think that's what makes Atomberg Ikano so special. Like my couch here has cushions as their better half to swell on its beauty, Atomberg Ikano comes paired with a smart remote control which enhances fan's credibility. What more do you need when you can control your fan without moving? I'm sure your kids gonna love this. Atomberg Ikano knows how to save up and be classy at the same time. To give a unique and aesthetic look, Ikano has been equipped with 6 LED lights which indicates the speed of the fan. These lights are not just an interesting additional feature, but it also gives out a great ambience and makes my room properly lit up. With Ikano, smart home yet classic decor is now a reality. Not just this, Atomberg Ikano's remote has an amazing features such as timer, sleep and boost mode which allows us to enjoy as per our comfort. Ikano comes in a variety of colors for you to choose from such as white, ivory, black and brown so that you can match it with your home decor. I went with glossy black to match the undertones of my new room makeover. What sets the Atomberg Ikano apart from the other fans is its best-in-class performance. With RPM of 365, it can provide excellent air delivery, keeping your space cool and comfortable. Especially with summers and heat waves going around, this kind of a function is more of a necessity. I wonder how Atomberg Ikano got it exactly right. It's available in 1200 mm sweep size, which is ideal for 65 to 100 square feet rooms. Get up to 2+1 years of warranty with support of Pan India service centers. And if you can't find any service centers nearby, no worries. You can just contact Atomberg at 844-844-9442 and they will help you out with replacement. Now make your home decor elegant and stylish with Atomberg's Ikano 5-star rated fan.